Alright, I just came down to the depot. I haven't heard anything all day. We got the Abbeville switcher sitting down there in the yard track. We're at milepost 440, which is what I call the depot area. The depot used to sit right over there where that grass is in front of us. You can see right there where the operator's office was, where the telegraph operator and the road clerks and stuff, all that was in there. This was the Abbeville depot. We did have passenger trains come through here. Alright, that's looking back towards Greenwood. You can't see all the signals, but I got to look at them earlier. They're all red. Red over red and red over red. Alright, thank you. I'm going to get more. Looks like we got another rail grinder coming through. This is a little one here. Going across the bridge. Alright, we got some smoke down there. Rail grinder's been grinding. Sometimes it'll set wood on fire, but it's been raining, so shouldn't too much of it be not wet, you know. I'll go down and get a closer view of it. I figured that's what they're probably doing, is spotting that. Hold on, I had to put my food down, y'all. I just came out of the KFC. I didn't think there was anything more coming, but they surprised me. That's somebody coming in for the church, I'm sure. I've seen them come through a lot, but I've never seen this much smoke behind them. I have followed behind them, helped put out little fires and stuff. I guess this is all the sparks that got caught in between the rails here, between the points and I forget what rail that is. I used to know all that stuff, guys. Doesn't look like it's nothing with the track. There was a lot of leaves and stuff down there. I don't see any flames or anything. Alright, thank y'all. Got some more smoke down here. Doesn't look like anything on the track. Looks like it's coming from under the rail, like they got down on those leaves down there and it's cooking the moisture off of them. Let me see if I can hear what they're saying. Alright, we got another high-rail truck way down there, so he's really falling behind and looking. Alright, thank y'all. I'm gonna cut this off for now. Alright, we got another high-rail truck. I missed the first one. I was down there at the KFC when it come across the bridge. And he's kind of quiet, so I didn't hear him till the last part, and I didn't get my camera started up enough. Alright, he's coming up to stop to look at these smoky spots. Wonderful. How are you doing today?
Good, thanks.
Hey, you got some back up here too. And your frog up there's got some on it.
Yeah, I got one more truck behind me. I'm gonna let him take some of them too.
All right. Yeah, that's it right in there. So they hooking y'all up with water, huh?
Sir?
They hooking y'all up with water, huh?
We have people come out at nighttime and fill up all the tanks on the train. And if we run out, we pull up to them and they can fill up on them.
I remember when they first started coming through here, they run them at night because it's a lot cooler and wetter and stuff.
The sun sitting there beating down on it, drying everything out.
And I used to walk down the track behind it and piss on all the fires I saw. Yeah, there's the other truck.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna go back there. There's a little spot down there. I think I took smoke. Yeah, I see it back there.
Yeah, I looked at all of them earlier. I think it was just the leaves down there burning.
That's all it is, the leaves. Ain't no ties on fire. You have a good one, bro.
I will. How many gallons do you carry?
I carry 200. He carries 200. The train carries. The little train probably carries 10,000, and then the big train probably carries 150,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, God bless you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
He's gonna pull ahead. We got a third truck coming up behind us, y'all. When they first started doing this, they didn't have all these water trucks out here. And so he's got 200 gallons of water, and this truck has 200 gallons of water. Alright, he's rolling on down through here. He's taking his time though. Alright, I'm going to shut it off till it gets closer because all they're doing is slowly riding down the track, y'all. Alright, thank you. Alright, here he comes, y'all, the second water truck. I think it still looks like a lot of smoke back down there in that corner. Oh, that's the locomotive smoke. He's going real slow. He's looking at everything. He's waving at y'all. Yeah, microphone in his hand and 2 fingers stuck up. He's rolling on north. They're all headed to Greenwood. I don't know what their work limits are. I assume they quit grinding after the switch, so there probably ain't too much smoke down there. I don't see any. Alright, y'all. I gotta go get my food, and then I'm gonna go visit Kurt and eat some of my food. There you go. Main line to main line. Alright, thank y'all. I'm down on Highway 72. I'm at the bridge. He just blowed at Red Street, but I missed it. I tried to get a recording of it for y'all. I don't know what we got, but he'll be coming down the main line here shortly. See what we get here. I hear him rolling. Let me interrupt you. Let me pause again. He's still sounding kind of quiet. I can hear noise, but it still sounds like he's far away. I think what I'm hearing is actually the DPU on it or something. Head in sounding closer. Here he comes, y'all. 5213. He's got maintenance equipment on there. Tell the rail grinder's been through, you hear the noise. Well, I have that noise for about 2 or 3 months. There's a DPU right there. 3220 looks like. Could have been a 9. Last spot on that one, y'all. Bottom end, EOT flashing on there. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank y'all.